Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install React step by step so you can get started building awesome React apps fast. React needs Node.js to work. So head over to nodejs.org and download the LTS version, that's the stable one. Once it's installed, open up your terminal or command prompt and type node-v to check the version number. And similarly, type npm-v. So npm is the package handler. So you should see the version numbers pop up, which means you are good to go. Next, we are going to create a new React project using the create React app tool. In your terminal, type npx create React app and you can name anything. For this one, I'm choosing my app. So this command will set up all the files and dependencies you need automatically, but it will take some time to download. Now, as you can see, the React is installed correctly. So firstly, I will open up VS Code using code and dot, and nextly go into my current directory which is named my app, and now we will run npm start to run the local development server to check if our React is downloaded and working correctly. So now, as you can see, we now have React installed and running on our machine. Now let's create a simple counter component in our React app. Close this, and in VS Code, let's head into the My App and in source, the function app. Now let's change this function. So now let's create the function app, and I will write function. And now we'll declare two variables, count and set count. So now we'll return. Now we'll give the class name app and header of h1, and now I will name it hello React. And now we can create a paragraph element, and now I will write click the button to increase the counter. So now we can use the count variable in the header element, which I will be using h2 as a subheading, and now we are using the count variable here, and now we will implement a button, similarly closing the button tag as well. Now we can name it increment, and to handle the click events we have the on click, and for this we will be using this arrow function and increasing the value of our count by 1. Don't worry, we will explain everything as we move on further with the explanations. So now you can see we have the running logic in our system, and now let's style our app a little bit. So as we can see, it is having problems, so we can also import useState from React to use the useState hook. So now as we can see, we have the hello React and it is increasing our count. So let's head over to app.css, and now let's add some styles to make it a bit stylish. So I will be adding text align of center and a margin top of 50 pixels, and font family Arial would be a nice choice. And for the button, we can add the font size to be 16 pixels would be good, and some padding 10 pixels from top to bottom and 20 pixels from left to right. And background color, I'm using a hexadecimal color, so it goes like this, 61TAFP, so nice color. And we will not be using a border, and a border radius of 6 pixels and cursor to be pointer. Let's see. So now we have a good and stylish counter component, and let's see if it's working or not. So as you can see, it's working. So now we have successfully installed our React app and made a simple counter component. So thank you.